Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Maricel. Cathy?
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, there's the statement from Cotabato City Mayor.
Sino?
She's, Sayadi ang apelyido,
Si
sir.
Mayor Cynthia.
Yes, Cynthia Sayadi. That government officials, military, and even election officials allegedly conspired with MILF daw po ahead of the election. January 21 plebiscite. She also claimed that voters were not able to vote because they were being harassed and intimidated by members of the MILF. So what's the palace comment on this, and will the government
Well, our
investigate
comment
it?
would be if she has evidence to back up her claim, then file the appropriate charges against whosoever she felt has violated election laws.
Hindi ba to, sir, imbestigahan?
No, precisely, you have to file your case in the appropriate administrative bodies.